Rangbah ke jelau konat kisang ma men tak sengi ke aputrik jumbang ajab son wa Pynshai Halor ke Jingkren Myntri ke Tnad Ialehkai ke jelau ba syakriya wajri hak biadai bikin national game ke balai pekendai kemanlong house name ajar penyo haba Pynshai lo kani Rangbah wa ong ba ke jelau me kaya ke ke try ban pediang ya kani ke national game bat on sedang bat on penkut ru hak ke jelau me kaya haba Pynshai lo kani Rangbah wa ong ba ke jelau me kaya kandai kanong pediang ya ke national game ajar penyo Henry nakal yang ke Indian Olympic Association ka ajing mut ba khnang man pelong ye ke Jingkren ke bagan thop lang ya giwe ke jela la ajing mut ban pelong mal ke we ke judge Jingkren ha ke we pa ke we ke jela ha not east but absent lipat ke judge Jingkren on pelong baik ha ke jela me kraya kum ka try yeng ke ba pedang ya ke ni ke national game.
The statement given by the Honorable Sports Minister, Government of Meghalaya, regarding the national games, some details I would like to share. Number one is that Meghalaya is the host state for the national games. There is no other state that is hosting it. The Meghalaya is the host state, which is very, very clear. The second point is that the Indian Olympic Association as well as Government of India has suggested that to make the games inclusive, maybe one or two disciplines could be given to different northeastern states so that it gives a message of inclusiveness. And therefore, with that mind, one discipline will be given to different northeastern states. So about 7 to 8 disciplines will be held in the different northeastern states. The rest of the 25 plus disciplines will be held here in Meghalaya. The opening ceremony as well as the closing ceremony will be held in Meghalaya. Therefore, this is a completely Meghalaya hosted program, and Meghalaya is the main host or the only host for the national games in 2027, and there is no confusion about it, and there's no question of it being a joint hosted or jointly hosted game, but only from this sense of inclusivity and giving a entire look on feel of the entire Northeast. One discipline in different states will be given, but the majority of the disciplines will be held, games will be held here in Meghalaya, and the opening and closing ceremony will also be in Meghalaya.